नमस्कार। ग्रेटमैन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं। कोविड-19 महामारी के इस दौर में मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आपका परिवार पूरी तरह सुरक्षित है, स्वस्थ है और बच्चों ने लॉकडाउन में बहुत एंजॉय किया है। अब मैं आपका सपोर्ट चाहता हूं। इस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चों की शिक्षा को हम अब स्टार्ट करते हैं और बहुत ही जल्द जो भी आपका बैकलॉग है हम उसको क्लियर भी करेंगे और एक नए तरीके से आपकी शिक्षा अब स्टार्ट होने वाली है। पेरेंट्स का हमें पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए। आप लोग पिछले 10 सालों से लगातार हमें सपोर्ट करते आए हैं और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि अगर हम और आप मिलकर चाहेंगे तो बच्चों की शिक्षा का कोई नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है और हमें और आपको मिलकर अब एक रीस्टार्ट करना है। नाउ लेट्स रीस्टार्ट। बेस्ट ऑफ लक। नमस्कार।
Welcome to all. I hope you all enjoy a lot. Now it's time to study. So our school started online classes. Therefore, we want your support and cooperation. Thank you. Today we are going to start chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. What are numbers? 10 chocolates, 4 children. 10 and 4 are the numbers. In this chapter, we will learn comparing numbers, ordering the numbers, expanding numbers, place value, using comma. Comparing numbers. Comparing numbers, it means we can compare two numbers. Which one is greater, which one is smaller. In this one, few are the examples are given on the screen. See. Try this. Can you? One is given for you and the rest you can do it. Now we come to our next topic, that is ordering the number. Ordering the number means how to arrange ascending and descending order. Ascending order means we will arrange smaller to larger order. Descending order means larger to smaller orders. Here, few examples are given how to arrange ascending and descending. Now, come to the next point, that is expanding numbers and place value. Expanding numbers and place value are related to each other. See, with the help of place value, the numbers we can write in the expanded form. Here are few examples are given, like 56 can be write as 50 plus 6. Next, 8324 can be expanded as 8324. Like this we can write. From where we can get this one? See the place value. We start from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After 10,000, we will write lakhs and crore. See, this table is given here on your screen. You can see easily how we will write, and this is known as Indian place value chart. Now we will come to the next topic, that is using commas. How to use commas? Here we will see large number of Indian system of numeration. In this one, commas are used to mark thousand, lakhs and crore. See, if you start, first comma comes after 100 place. It means 3 digits from the right and marked 1000. The second comma comes 2 digits later, that is 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000 place and marked lakh. The third comma comes after another 2 digit, that is 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakh place and marked crore. See, here is the example is given. In this digits where to use or put commas, it's clearly mentioned here. This is known as Indian system of numeration. Now the next is international system of numeration. In international, every 3 digits we can use comma. We start from ones, tens, hundred, then comma, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then comma, then million, 10 million, 100 million. This is known as international system of numeration. See, here is the example given here. This you can see. Now we can compare two number system, Indian, international. See the comparison of two number system, ones, thousand, lakhs, crore, and in international ones, thousands, million. See, here are the we will read 73 lakh 75,307. Again, we can go and see the above table and then we can write, see, 73, 75, 307. See the next question and see solutions are there on your screen. This you can see and write. Now we can come to our third question, that is insert commas suitable and write the numbers according to the Indian system of numeration. The same question again we will use the comma and we will write according to the Indian system of numeration, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. See, we start from the right side but we write from the left side. The comparison, we observe that 100,000 equals to 1 lakh, 1 million equals to 10 lakh, 10 million equals to 1 crore and 100 million equals to 10 crore. This is the comparison which we observed. Now we will come to our exercise, that is 1.1. First question is fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, just now we have learned the comparison table. Again you can see on your screen 1 lakh equals to how many 10,000. See the Indian system, 1 lakh and 10,000 both are near. In first one is 10,000, second one is lakh. It means if we multiply by 10, we will get lakh. So the answer is 10,000. Next, 1 million equals to how many 100,000. See the million and 100,000. Again, still it is same as the first one, 100,000 and million. See, if we multiply by 10, we will get 1 million. So again the answer is 10, 100,000. Now the third question, 1 crore equals to how many 10 lakh? See, lakh and 10 lakh. If we multiply by 10 into 10 lakh, we will get crore. So again the same answer, 10. Now we are moving to our next question. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. 2, 6, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 8. 2 is 1, 6 is 10, 7 is 100, 5 is 1000, 9 is 10,000, 5 is lakh, 7 is 10 lakh, 8 is crore. It means we start from crore. 8 crore, 75 lakh, 95,000. In this question, we will use International System of Numeration. See, it is written there 78921092. We start counting from the back side. 2 is in the place of ones, 9 is in the place of tens, 0 is in the place of 100, 1 is in the place of 1000, 2 is in the place of 10,000, 9 is in the place of 100,000, 8 is in the place of million, and 7 is the place of 10 million. So we will write like this 78,921,092. Thank you. Have a good day.